flashing.
So we've installed all the internal components. Now we're going to have to make some adjustments. So if you come up here, you reach up inside there, there's a latch right here. You push that latch, you pull your clapper down. Come out from this angle. Then over here, you stick a reset tool in. And as you pry up on that tool, it'll get the latch like that. So what I did is I put the tool in here until it hit this backstop here. After you do that, per the manufacturer's instructions, you have the socket set screw number 23 will need adjustment. After the valve has been completely reassembled, latch the clapper in place and with a 1/4 inch Allen wrench, turn the screw clockwise until it contacts the hook assembly, which would be this part right here. So tighten this set screw until it contacts this down here. You can't really see it. You use a feeler gauge or something. Then you turn the screw one complete turn counterclockwise, set the system, and trip test the valve to verify proper operation of the valve. So what we're going to do,
Here's the Delta one we can rip.
yeah, right on freaking film, video. So the reason for this, we can see that moving up and down, so we're in contact. Okay, so we're in contact right there. So now we need to move this one full turn. Back to right there. So what happens is when this valve loses air pressure, this entire assembly is sitting on that piece of rubber. The whole thing will move up, and as it comes up, this will come up with it. This clapper latch, this part here, will contact that set screw. As this valve raises up, when it hits that screw, it'll cause this to flip forward, and that'll unlatch the valve. So let's look at it from this angle. When it comes up, the valve will flip, but you can see from this angle here, you see how the diaphragm will move up and down inside. So if it was moving like that, normally it would come in contact, the whole thing will press up, but you really can't demonstrate it with just a wrench. But you see how that comes up. Anyway, now we just set the valve up, do a trip test.